Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set the timer in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. To set the timer, slide up your phone and search for a clock. Yeah, there is a clock here. And there is a timer. Yeah, that's right. There is a timer. And there you can write the time which you want to set. And after you that, just play and the timer gonna be go down, and after that you hear the sound. So let's check it out. How is this sound is sounds up. So I choose a few seconds, 5 seconds. So play. And voila, the timer is already done. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!